When you rent an HDB flat or a private apartment, you've likely considered or have already hired a house cleaning service to help with your chores. But did you know there's a thing called post-tenancy cleaning? You might have heard of this as your lease is about to end or you simply plan to move to a new home. In this video, let's talk about how regular house cleaning differs from post-tenancy cleaning. What does regular house cleaning entail? It generally involves routine tasks to keep your home relatively tidy. These help prevent dust, dirt, and clutter from building up. People often schedule house cleanups weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Your health and lifestyle also plays a role. If you love cooking or have allergies, you might need frequent house cleaning sessions. So how do you know if it's time for a house cleaning appointment? If you see visible dust buildup, lingering stains, and you're starting to suffer from congestion, then you need more frequent cleaning. So what about post-tenancy cleaning then? This type of cleaning is done when a tenant is about to move out of their rental property. The goal here is to leave the home in excellent condition for the next tenant. When it meets the landlord's expectations, you have a better chance of getting your security deposit back. Post-tenancy cleanups are a one-time service. It involves extremely thorough cleaning and sanitation. It also tackles hard-to-reach places like those behind appliances and inside ovens. If you're moving out, this type of cleaning is a must. Be sure to book your appointment at least 2-3 weeks before you leave. This allows for ample time for deep cleaning. But you might want to make sure you've packed most of your belongings before the appointment. It will make the cleanup more efficient. So consider your moving schedule before you contact the cleaning service. Whether you need regular house cleaning or post-tenancy cleaning, Kung Fu Helper has got you covered. Talk to us anytime if you want to book our services. We'll keep your home spotless and save you from the stress.